Hey guys, today we're gonna do a blue Valentine look, so let's get right into it. Already did my skincare, so now we're gonna prime my face with my favorite primer. Can't help it, I love it. While we let the primer dry, we're gonna gel our brows with the NYX brow glue. I love it. This is like my go-to, my everydayer, and it's just amazing, obviously. Now some concealer for an eyeshadow base. This is the Fit Me concealer. I obviously adore it. I'm gonna go in with this light beige as a transition color all over the eyelid. Now we're gonna go in with a beautiful light blue and go all over the eyelid with it and just build up a beautiful shape onto the eye. All right, we're gonna pull out the big guns and go in with this beautiful shade right here. All right, a little nervous, but we can do this. We're gonna outline the eye with it and bring it over and really help shape the eye. Now we're going to dip in with this darker blue right here and just kind of really go on the outskirts of the look just to kind of give it more dimension. Bring it in and just kind of outline the outer skirts. Go in with a really bright white right on the inner corner and bring it underneath. Bring it up to kind of blend it in here. Lovely. And you can even put a little bit on the top here, just to give it a little bit of dramatic flair. We're going to go in with this beautiful blue that's really deep that also has like a little shimmer to it. You're going to basically do a little eyeliner with it. I think we should take a little bit of this dual chrome right here and kind of go right in here. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. Woo! Just go like that and bring it out. That way it kind of shifts everything together. Now we're going to take off the tape, and if it's not even, we will just fix it up. Yeah, it's pretty darn even to me. I'm happy with that. Let's put a few gems on. I'm just using some gems, a little wax stick. Then I'm going to pick up the gem and apply it. And I will move it around so it looks right and not upside down. Opted it for a smaller size heart. Flowers just make sense. It's coming along. I'm going to add a few more gems because I think you get the point. All right, the gems are on. It's not perfect, but it's definitely workable. And now we're going to work on the base. You know me, I love my Superstay foundation. It's amazing. We're going to do some contouring, basically just here, here, around the nose, up here, underneath the chin, a little bit of a butt chin. I don't know why, I just like it. My new contour brush came in. I love it because it's pink and it's so cute. I like the way it blends. I like the way it feels on my face. I bring the contour up to my ear. That way it looks like I have more of a jawbone-ish. A little bit of the pink magic eraser underneath the eye. Favorite blush right now. This is the Morph Après Ski, so it's like after skiing. And it's just like the cutest little pink you've ever seen. Now go in with some light concealer and like the lightest little spots. We're going to use this almost like a highlighter. You really do not need much. Like all you need. Some setting powder. I just kind of go like this and swipe it right here and right here. And then if I'm feeling extra, I'll go up here too. Just use the puff to kind of like pat it away. For some freckles, we're just using a liquid liner and literally going to try and tap as lightly as we can. That way they look kind of natural. Now I'm going to do some finishing touches and I'll show you the final look. And this is the final look. What do you guys think? I'm absolutely in love with it. So I think this one turned out really good and I'm super happy about that. I love it when my looks turn out. You need to go watch all the transitions and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!